Hi, I'm Anna, and today we're going for a virtual tour of the Cardinal Glass plant to see how pane glass is made. Let me get ready. Oh, there it is. Let's go. The factory is a quarter-mile long, and it all begins when 100-ton railroad cars arrive and unload the basic materials needed for making glass. It's all transported to the top of the batch house, so it's ready for mixing. The raw materials, sand, soda ash, and limestone, are weighed and mixed, and then the final ingredient is added, cullet, which is broken and reject glass from later in the process. The mix is moved over by conveyor and then down into the furnace, which can hold 1,700 tons of molten glass. The temperatures can reach 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Liquid glass flows from the furnace onto a large pool of molten tin. The glass spreads out into a thin ribbon that is 10 feet wide. The spreading is helped along by machine gears. Most of the system is controlled and watched by the technicians in a control room. After the tin bath, the glass enters an annealing area. This is where the glass is slowly cooled. Next is the inspection room, where defects are marked. The sheets of glass, which are called lights, are cut out, avoiding the marked defects. Any reject glass and the broken edges are returned to the batch house and reused again as cullet. 20 miles of glass like this is produced every day, and the factory is a continuous operation facility, which means it does all this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for at least 10 years. That's 73,000 miles of glass, enough to circle the Earth 3 times. Wow, that's a lot of glass.